It's early October and I'm making my first ever fall trip to Ellison Creek Reservoir, also known as Lone Star Lake. Hello and welcome to Bass Fishing 202. I'm your host, Lance Perticone. I've only been to this lake 2 other times, and both of those were earlier this year, so I don't really know what to expect. We're still in that fall transition period between summer and fall. So I'll start out with some top waters, moving baits, maybe a chatterbait or spinnerbait, and then eventually work my way deeper with some deep diving crankbaits, and eventually switch over to worms and maybe Nico rig or a drop shot. So I'm ready to give this a try. We'll see you out there. .14. .169, a little better. Alright, so that whole bank is the first time I ever fished that whole bank. Produced a couple of fish, missed a few fish, nothing of any size. I'm going to move over to a major point and creek down here on the east side of the lake. Good trend going here. Bigger yet, the drop shot does it again. So though they haven't been great, the points have been better than everything else, so I'm heading back out to Main Lake points. Number 5. Well, my day on Lone Star Lake, also known as Ellison Creek Reservoir, is done. Didn't quite live up to expectations today. I caught a total of 8 bass. 2 of them came early on a small-sized whopper plopper. And 3 were on a 4.5-inch Berkley flatworm on a drop shot. The other 3 bass I caught on a Ned rig, and they were so embarrassingly small I'm not even showing them in this video. My best 5, which included a 1.3 pound or 1.38 pound spot, only went 8.55 pounds. Just really didn't get any big bites today. So the surface bait early in the shallow water, and the drop shot off the edge of the grass down around 12 feet produced what little decent action I had today. So it looks like my summer to fall transition funk is still alive and well, even though I changed lakes. But you know, that's fishing. Hopefully I'll do better next time out. So thanks for spending a little time with me in Bass Fishing 202, just a little more advanced than Bass Fishing 101. Thank you for subscribing. Be blessed, and I'll see you all next time.